Want to download a photo you posted to Instagram Instants, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to save your Instagram Instants to your camera roll. Now let's get started. To save an Instagram Instant to your camera roll, open Instagram and go to your Messages tab. Tap the Instants icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap the album icon in the top right corner. Here you can see all of your past Instants. If you hold down one of these images, you'll get the option to save it to your camera roll. If you want to download multiple photos, tap the Selection tool in the top right corner, select the images you want to save, then tap the Download icon in the bottom left corner. Your selected instance will then be saved to your device's camera roll. If you added a caption to your instant before posting, the caption will be saved within your image as well. That's all it takes to save your Instagram Instants to your camera roll. Want to learn more about Instants? Check out these tutorials next. Click one of the videos on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.